Hi, it's Jack from Hephais. You spent 30 minutes sharpening your knife on Whetstone, and yet the tomato still squishes, the meat still tears. Wondering what you did wrong. Let's break it down. The first reason is the knife itself. Low grade steel just doesn't hold an edge. Even if you sharpen it, it dulls quickly or never gets truly sharp. If you are serious about cooking, investing in a proper knife is worth it. Second, your knife may have reached the end of its life. If the blade has worn down over a centimeter, the edge becomes too thick from a proper bevel. Restoring it takes a tons of effort, and honestly, it might be time for a new one. And most common is incorrect sharpening. That includes wrong grit order, unstable angle, or uneven stones. All of these will stop your blade from becoming sharp, no matter how long you try. Let's check it step by step. Step 1. Stone choice and flattening. For a very dull knife, use a progression like 320, 1000, 5000 grit. To save time, I often start with coarser grit, but for edge maintenance, 1000 is fine. Now flattening. If your stone isn't flat, your edge won't be either. This is why I prefer ceramic stone over corundum. Corundum runs down quickly and can scratch premium knives. Ceramic stays flat longer. I draw a pencil line on the stones and rub two stones together until the lines are gone. This isn't the textbook way, but it lets me maintain two stones at once without a dedicated flattening plate. Rinse and repeat until you are sure the surface is truly flat. Step 2. Setting the angle. Angle consistency is everything. People talk about finger height or coin thickness, but that's not reliable. I use a custom angle guide card. This one holds exactly 15 degrees. If you want 12 or 20 degrees, that's also available. Just adjust the design. Once the stone is flat, and your angle is set, place the blade down and sharpen with slow, controlled stroke. Start from the heel and move up to the tip. Let the stone do the work. Don't use too much pressure. The tricky part is the tip. Since it curves, you need to lift the handle slightly as you sharpen. If you don't, the tip won't contact the stone and stays dull. After a few passes, feel for the burr. It's a tiny fold of metal on the opposite side. Once it's there, flip the knife and repeat on the other side with the same motion. Stay consistent, same angle, same rhythm. Sharpening is all about control, not speed. Step 4. Remove the burr. Once you feel a burr, flip sides, then finish with lighter stroke on your highest grit stone. If you have leather stroke, now's the time. If not, a few passes on the fine stone will do. Last step, the edge testing. Slice paper is easy and simple way. Feel a snacks. That's a dull spot. Also try this. Hold the blade to the light. Shiny spot means it's still rounded and needs more work. Some people check sharpness on a fingernail. If it catches, they think it's sharp. But honestly, that depends on the finish. A rough edge grabs. A polished edge might not, and a dull edge, it can slide too. That's why I don't trust this test. But look, sometimes it's not you, it's the steel. If your blade can't hold an edge, no sharpening trick will fix that. That's why I prefer premium kitchen knives. They are harder and hold their edge longer and make all this sharpening effort actually worth it. After sharpening, clean the blade thoroughly. If it's carbon steel, apply a light coat of oil. Stainless, just dry it well and store safely. If you have questions, leave a comment. I will try to answer everything. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more sharpening and knife care contents. Thanks for watching.